Hi, I will be showing you how to edit videos on your mobile phones using this simple app called Inshot. This version on my phone is a free version. So there are going to be a couple of restrictions when it comes to accessing different options on the app. But the free version has some interesting aspects that will assist you in giving you the best video editing options that you need in your social media endeavors. So let's dive right into it. Now, this option over here that I'm tapping right now is whenever you've done something and you want to undo it. Like I've actually cropped this video before starting it. So if I tap on this arrow, it undoes the crop. Then if I tap on the arrow towards the right, it redoes the crop option. I can always pause and play. So let's go down to the lower option. Now, the lower option is Canva. The Canva options will give you different, let me show you. So give you different variety of options. You can, when it comes to choosing the right dimensions for your other social media platforms, such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and the rest. So let's go back to where the next option is music. Now, music can go in different forms. You can add this. You can add tracks. You can extract audio from a video. You can import videos from your own mobile phone, and there are some specific audios that you can add as voiceover to your video from these options. Now, what I've noticed is that whenever you choose from these options, some of them are copyright free, some of them are not copyright free. So it will be an added advantage for you if you can add or credit the artist whenever you use song from this list. So let's go back. Let's go to the option of effects. This has to do with first sounds also. So that's that. Let me go back. So this option is the volume of the original audio. You can always increase and reduce the audio of. The next option is stickers. This has different variety of stickers you can add to your video, and the options here are pretty okay. Like you can have the subscribe button. Since you are watching this video on YouTube, this is an option that is going to be very useful for you. So now the next option is text. Let's try something. Try that you can choose the colors you want to add to it, the color of you can choose the border, the shadow, the label, and the opacity. And there's so many things you can add the way you want the text to look like. It should be you can increase how it blinks, you can reduce how it blinks. So that's also a very good option. So let's go back. You can go to the filters option. Now, for the filters option and effects option, it has different forms of effects, but some majority of the effects that you can find here are paid on the paid version. So which is actually not bad also. The paid version, and through you can check through all the ones, but for the free version, there's a couple of free effects that you can add to your videos that are actually not bad. So that's also an option which is going to come in handy where you're editing your videos. So this option, picture VIP. If you react to channels, you can. So what this option does is you can add another layer of video or picture on this video you are watching. So you can put a video on this side, a video of yourself reacting to this major video, like a reaction channel. So this option is going to be very useful for people that react to channels. So there's the cut option, there's the split option. What the split option does is you can split this part of a video, you can delete it, you can split different parts of the video and add different edits to them. And you can you can add a different background. You can increase the speed of the video, you can crop. So there's so many options Majority of the options remaining, apart from these ones, are something that are pretty straightforward. So if you have any problems regarding navigation in this app, you can always drop a comment below. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe